Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up. Leave your comment. I do read them all, and I love hearing from you. Y'all, nothing at all is happening right now. Congress is out on recess. Mooch McConnell says, call him on the phone. That's the magic of the telephone. Oh, by the way, has anyone actually been helped by Donald Trump's executive orders? I would bet to say no one has been helped yet. And I would also bet to say no one will be helped by him. We are just 11 weeks away from the election, and there is no help in sight. The feds say that they can send the next stimulus checks to the people. Then why ain't they done it yet? If they can do it without Congress approval, why hadn't they done it yet? Okay, in this next proposal that they got coming up, there is no payroll tax holiday. There is no stimulus checks. The unemployment boost. Arizona is the only state that's got it so far, and it's only for $300, and it was only for 1 week. Bottom line, people, nobody is getting help right now. But how many times have they bailed out the rich people on Wall Street? This whole thing to me stinks like an outdoor John. And that's the worst smell in the world. Y'all, we have to have faith in God that we're going to get out of this, and we're going to get out of it better than we were before. We have to hold on to that faith, because I believe it will happen. It's just going to take a while, and it don't look like we're getting much help from our government. We have to remember this in November. Don't go into the booth and have a quick change of heart. Vote them out. They have voted you out, so vote them out. Y'all, I love you all. If something else comes up, I will make another video today. I'm not sure if I will or not. But keep your eyes open and please watch it if I do. And just know I love you all. And I will be back tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. for sure. I love you all. Ciao.